Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where we look at the real history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In the 1700s, Derby was a growing English market town, where stone streets and timber houses reflected a way of life balanced between rural tradition and early industry. The town was known for its craftsmanship, especially silk production, as mills powered by new machinery operated alongside blacksmiths, potters, coopers, and other skilled tradesmen working by hand. Derby's economy rested on agriculture and trade, with grain, wool, and livestock flowing through busy markets that sustained both town and countryside. Religion shaped daily life, as Anglican churches dominated the landscape while dissenting groups like Methodists quietly gathered in chapels, spreading new ideas about faith and reform. Society was clearly divided. Wealthy merchants and landed gentry held power and influence, while laborers, apprentices, and servants lived by strict expectations of class and duty. Daily life revolved around markets, taverns, fairs, and church gatherings, where news, music, and gossip were shared face to face in a close-knit community. Yet beneath this familiar rhythm, change was in the air. Scientific curiosity, invention, and reform hinted that Derby stood on the threshold of transformation, rooted in the past but poised to help shape the modern industrial world.